Hi everyone, myself Abhilash. As you all know, I am running the blog called excel2excel.com, and I am glad to say that I have announced formulas crash course, which is formulas tutorial on August 1st 2013, which is today. So in this small presentation we will see what are the contents that I am going to cover and what are the benefits that I am going to give for to enroll this crash course. What are the payment options that are available with me, and if you have any doubts or queries, how to get it resolved, and all those things will be covered, will be answered in this small presentation, PPT presentation. Okay, if you have any more queries apart from this PPT presentation, you can always contact me through my email ID or through phone number. Let us proceed with the presentation. Here we will see the crash course contents. We have 9 modules here. In the module 1 we will see the basics about the formulas and functions. Okay, in the module 2 we will see the logical functions. Okay, in module 3 we have text functions and lookup functions. We have few lookup functions which are most advanced and which are helpful to the most reporting users. And we have date and time functions. Okay. Here we have advanced functions. I'm sorry. In date and time functions, we can use functions to calculate the time, to calculate the date. Okay, calculation in the sense like to get the date, like today's date today's time, and what is the time now, and if you want to move from today's date to like 1 month next date of the same day, or next month on the same day, something like that. Okay, we can use date and time functions to get all those results. And we have advanced functions. We'll see what are the advanced functions here, and what if you get any errors while working on the functions. So if there is any functions, then we have to manage those functions. How to manage errors. Okay, and super formulas. What are these super formulas and how it works? We will see step by step in the slideshow. And we have some miscellaneous whichever are left out from here, from all the 8 modules. We will see it here. Otherwise we will see some more topics. I have a few topics which I plan to explain you. Apart from that, if there is any questions from the audience, I'll definitely welcome n number of questions, and I will post the same questions through videos. Okay, we'll go to the next slide. Here the module 1, which is formulas basics, which includes introduction to functions library. Okay, function library is something like this. See, here you have function library. What is this function library is all about, and what are the functions that are available in this library, and how it works, how it goes, this basic information about this function library. Okay, and number of functions in Excel. How many number of functions in Excel, can anybody know? It's okay, no problem, I'll be explaining on those things. Okay, we have different number of functions in Excel 2007 version, and when it is upgraded to 2010 version, the number of formulas or the number of functions that are added. Okay, and then if you go to Excel 2013, there are few functions which are again added, but I'll give you the basic, like the number of functions that are available in Excel. Okay, but I'll be explaining the functions which are available in Excel 2007 only. Okay, And here, difference between a formula and a function. Okay, uh, just now I said I'm sorry to say formula rather than function, right? The reason, because there is a difference between a formula and a function, and we will see what is the difference. Okay, and here we have operators and special characters that are allowed in formulas, like while using formulas. Using functions in formulas. How to use functions? Okay, about name manager and its features. Using named ranges. Okay, these are a few topics that will be covered, and let us hope for no, some more topics that covers in in all the modules, I mean to say. Okay, and we have module 2. If you say module 2, logical functions. How many logical functions we have? We have 7 logical functions. Okay, in the Excel. See, if we go to formulas and see logical, yes, we have 7 functions. Okay, we will see what are these functions. Basically, these functions are very small functions, but how to use these functions in advanced level? Okay, combination of formulas will make more interesting. Okay, if I explain about a simple and function, it is very easy, like you can say yes, this is very easy, nothing to learn more. But if I say advanced features, which includes combination of two advanced functions, okay, using these logical functions will give better results than just using these logical functions. Okay, we will see all those things in the coming days. And we'll go to module 3. In module 3 we have text functions. As I said, if there is a content or if there is a text in the cell, and if you want there are many requirements where you can extract the data from the cell. So if you want to extract data, I mean to say the text, then you have to use so many functions to extract the data as per our requirements. Okay, as per our requirements, few functions that are available uh, here is character, char, clean, concatenate, dollar, exact, find or fixed, left, right, mid, len, replace, repeat, trim, upper, lower, and proper. Okay, we will see at least 5 examples of each function. Okay, depends on the examples that it depends on the number of questions that is arised in classroom session, and I'll present it to you. Okay, and we'll go for module 4. In module 4 we have lookup functions. Lookup functions which includes like choose, vlookup, hlookup, index, indirect, match, lookup, offset, rows, index match, indirect match, offset match. Okay, these are the combination of formulas which gives better results than the expected individual formulas. Okay, individual functions, I'm sorry. And there are few lookup scenarios. Okay, we will see all those things in like while working on module 4, and then we'll move on to module 5. We have say date, e-date, e-month, year, day, and month. Okay, hour, minute, second, time, network days, today, weekday, weeknum, workday, converting number or date to text. Okay, and we have some important functions here. We'll see the basic functions as well as the advanced level of functions, all advanced level of usage of these functions. Okay, in the upcoming classes. We'll move on to module 6. In module 6 we have few advanced functions, say for example row, column, small, large, mid, sum product, offset, sum ifs, count ifs, average ifs, structural references. Okay, we'll see how it works and what are those few how these small functions work as advanced functions. Okay, yeah, then we'll move on to the module 7, to audit the formulas and how to audit the functions and the types of error and how to fix an error. Okay, this is the most important one where everybody requires this. Even for the advanced users of Excel will find very difficulty to identify the errors and to fix those errors if the number of formulas or functions that are available in a cell are more than like 10, 15 and all. Okay, I am just giving an example. Okay, and error checking, how to check the error. Okay, and how and we have trace precedents and dependents. We will see what are these things. Okay, and we'll move on to module 8. This is super formulas. Okay, super functions, which includes 3D references, assigning a function to a name, dynamic range functions, combine multiple functions into one function, and connecting multiple sheets into one sheet, and conditional sums using sum product. And apart from all this, we will use the functions that we have learnt in formulas project 1. Okay, I'll provide you I'll take one project and I'll work all these I'll work most of these functions, and I'll show you in an example video how these functions can use effectively to work on Excel reporting. Okay, this is project 1, and we will move on to the miscellaneous, which is module 9, and the last one we have project 2 here. Okay, formulas project 2, and we'll see how it works apart from basic level. Okay, importance of F4 key. What is F4 key and how does it work, and what are the how it is effective if we use F4 key. And absolute versus relative references. Okay, what is absolute and what is relative, and how does this make sense while using on Excel or Excel formulas. And we have keyboard shortcut keys. Okay, and we'll see some keyboard shortcut keys which are applicable for formulas. Okay, working on classroom doubts. If there is any doubts that the classmates come across, please post it in the comment section, and I'll make sure the valuable comments, the valuable doubts that you ask, will definitely prepare an additional video to make you understand better. Okay, rather than just posting my answer to your question. Okay, in the comment section. Okay, and one best thing that you guys are going to see here is the dashboard. Okay, I'll explain you what is a dashboard, and I'll show you the example of interactive dashboard using functions. Okay, I'll share my few ideas about the dashboard which will help you to enhance your skills as well. Okay, and then we'll move on to how it works. How it works to get enrolled. Okay, email me to book your slot. Okay, and why I mentioned early bird bonus, because one of 50 members, I mean to say like first 50 members will get this early bird bonus, and this is as simple as first come first serve basis. Okay, and request for payment details. If you require any payment details, if you find difficulty in using PayPal account, okay, which is embedded in the website, you can always send an email, post an email for payment details, which I have an alternate, like let me find out the alternative ways to uh, get you enrolled into this crash course. Okay, check your email once the payment is done. Okay, you just send me an email with payment details. Okay, I have not mentioned that point, but send me the email payment details, so that I'll be knowing that you have enrolled and you have successfully paid the amount, course fee. Okay, so that I'll send you the login details where you can access the website. Okay, access the course content, and check your email for login details. And it may take some time, like I'll be online at least for 10 to 15 hours a day, but apart from that, if I miss, let me take it to the next day, and I'll make sure login details will be sent across to your registered email IDs. Okay, and log in your account once the login details are received. Just log in your account and check if the course that you have selected is matching to the course that you have enrolled. Okay, unlock the course pack. No money back guarantee. Okay, I said this no money back guarantee because I respect your decision on purchasing this product. I know you will take right decisions, and you will definitely achieve big results. Okay, most of the websites say 100% money back guarantee. This 100% money back requests are very minute. I can say like less than 3% or 5%, but still I am saying no money back guarantee because I am so confident that you guys will definitely satisfy with the video presentations that I provide. Okay, and the content that you receive from my end is much more worthy than anything else. Okay, for any queries, send me an email or call me, and my email ID and mobile number is available on the main screen of my website excel2excel.com. If you still not able to identify, I think if you still not able to identify, it is there in the PPT presentation, and I'll make sure this PPT presentation is available in PDF format. Okay, for you to download. uh, you can collect the email ID or phone number to contact me at any point of time. Okay, and once the completion of the course, you can request for course completion certificate. Then we'll proceed to the next slide. Okay, crash course pricing details. Okay, this is the most required slide for everyone. Okay, I think including me. We have two options here. Okay, we can the subscribers can view but not download. Okay, they can view the embedded video, and this view option is only for videos. View only option is like $29, which I was actually planned for $49. But suddenly yesterday night I just thought of reducing the price from 49 to something which is affordable to everybody, which is affordable to everyone. So I just reduced to 29, and that is the reason I have mentioned 49 next to it without erasing it. Okay, and this is you can also say this is the discount that I am offering. Okay, because I know the content, the valuable content that I provide will definitely say this is much lower price than any other sites that are offering. Okay, and view only option has view lessons through online, and you can view these lessons through online, but only you cannot download the videos. Okay, and 24/7 online access. you will have complete online access to your account, and you get HD quality videos. Okay, and you have access to the downloadable example files. You can definitely download example files to work at your home at any time or at your workstation. Okay, and valid unconditional access for 4 months. You have this access for 4 months without any condition. Okay, and this is an additional bonus that again I am giving. I just thought if somebody missed to take these classes, say for example I have paid the fee, okay, but I couldn't take due to some busy schedules at my workstation or personal life, and not able to access this website for 3 months or 4 months. Okay, so you can always request me for extension of 2 months. Initially you can definitely take 4 months at one time, but I'll say 2 months plus 2 months, because still if you miss any of these lessons, okay, you can still have 2 more months to extend. Okay, so upon your request I will extend your access for 2 months, and again I will extend your access for another 2 months if required. Okay, otherwise also it is a free that I am giving. Definitely you can utilize it at any point of time, because after batch 1 I'll definitely start batch 2 with your morals, with your support. Okay, so I'll definitely have much more questions from batch 2 or batch 3. So those questions will definitely be videoed and will be embedded or given to a download option, so that you will be benefit with those videos as well. Okay, so request me for 2 months plus 2 months extension without fail. Okay, and I will be providing one bonus dashboard video. Okay, this is also very valuable. Okay, and it gives more information in terms of dashboard. Okay, and here is a view option, and you have an additional view and download option which is just $10. Okay, to make everyone cost effective. Say this course should be available to everybody. That is my main motto. So I just thought of giving just $10 difference. Okay, I have seen like 100% change in view and download options, but here I am just giving $10, like just only $10 difference. So you can definitely choose this option. I'll definitely suggest to choose this option, because just $10 doesn't make much change, because you can lose the money, but you can definitely not you can definitely don't lose the information that you captured from these videos, or anything that you have learned will definitely be with you forever, rather than money can lost, but uh, the information that you got from here, or the knowledge that you gain from here, will definitely don't lose until we are there. Okay, and we won't lose forever. That is my motto. That is what I mean. Okay, so you have download lessons through online and 24/7 online access, and we have HD quality videos, view and download as well, access to download example files, and valid unconditional access for 6 months, and I have given 2 months access here. Apart from 6 months, you can request for 3 months plus 3 months extension to access the course. Okay, this is like completely like 1 year access to the website. Okay, you will definitely have better uh, course material with you. You will definitely have much more knowledge gaining. Okay, and there are so many keep going, there are so many additional bonuses that you will be getting. Okay, uh, and then we'll see bonus dashboard video. Okay, and these are the pricing details which I have. And as you all know, enrollment started, I can say started, from August 1st 2013, which is today, and closes on August 25th. I am sorry, uh, have changed this close date from August 25th to August 18th, because this will be closed by the midnight on August 17th 2013. Okay, now we'll proceed to the next slide. We have crash course, how to join into this crash course, by doing the payment. Say for outside India, payment can be made through credit or debit card or through online transfers. PayPal is open now. In the embedded PayPal button is available in the site. You can definitely click on pay now and then use the instructions given by the PayPal, and proceed for the payment. Okay, and to book your slot, send me an email with subject line coupon code hyphen FORM form 001, which is formula crash course 001. Okay, and you need to send me an email before 17th of August to avail this offer. This offer closes from 18th of August, so you can send me before 17th of August. And if you can hurry sending this, you will definitely get early bird bonus for first 50 members. Okay, will be sent to registered email IDs upon completion of the course, and I'll be revealing this after the completion of the course. Okay, and you will receive it through email. You may expect you may have different expectations. So when I don't reveal, say for example, is this course material, is it course material in a sense, like is this the ebook that you are sending, or is this the gift coupons that you are sending, or so many other questions that you might have. Let's hope for the best, what I will send and what you can receive through email. But to get this early bird bonus, please make sure you will register, you will enroll this program before 18th of August 2013. Okay, and above all, for Indian customers, send me an email for payment details if you want to transfer through NEFT. Otherwise, you can just follow all the three options here. Option 2, option 3, I have mentioned option 2 and option 3 are same as above. Even option 1 is same for Indian customer. If you have any queries or any questions, okay, you can always send me an email on in terms of payment issues, or in terms of additional information that you require on this crash course, or anything else. You can send me an email and I'll definitely respond you before 12 hours of time. Okay, and we'll see. Same thing I have explained. Questions to me, if you have any questions, contact details I have mentioned, my email ID, which is nourgent@yahoo.com. Okay, no urgent, where I'll definitely have no urgent at any point of time. uh, I should explain why I have mentioned my email ID as no urgent, because my boss was there in the year 2004 when I came to Bangalore for the first time, and his email ID is most urgent @yahoo.com. But yeah, and he has his boss where he has least urgent at yahoo.com. So I just thought, why can't I keep no urgent at yahoo.com? So that is the story behind keeping this email ID, which is no urgent @yahoo.com. Okay, send me an email for any questions. I have unlimited access email access. Okay, so you can you can send me a number of mails, but not bulk mails, please. Okay, and you can contact me where I have two mobile numbers, which is 91, which is Indian code, 98867470007, but I am not bond. Okay, my mobile number is bond, and the other alternative number is 72042469990. Okay, you can contact me or you can send me an email for any questions that you arise before taking the course, crash course. Okay, and thank you so much. And I would like to say one thing about this. I would like to say why I selected this presentation is because, say for example, if you are somewhere here in the round, okay, to after completion of the course, I'll definitely make sure that you will stand in front of the team to answer any questions that the team come across, or to select the best function when you are working on reporting. Okay, so this is the main reason why I have selected this presentation. And thank you so much for your patience, and we all see in the formulas crash course classes. Okay, and always take right choice. You'll definitely have bright future. Thank you so much.